Alright, I got a little unboxing to do here. I got some jet ski parts. I've got a screen endoscope from eBay. I got a bolt that goes behind the Ebox that I can't see where I took it out of, so I'm going to look back in there with that. And I'll explain the drill bits that I just picked up from Lowe's. Oops, there's the package for the drill bolts. That should give you a clue of what's in this box. So, got the 1/2 inch, which is pretty big, and that's what I need for the jet ski. But I'm going to start, lower and work my way up to that. Alright, so here's the endoscope. It's got all kinds of fittings that go on the head of that so that you can pick up stuff. It's just got a charging port right there, like the old style cell phones where it's beveled at the top and flat on the bottom. Just press and hold, I think, the OK button to turn it on. So you can see it works good. Say hi to you guys. So it's got a nice light on the end. Just hold that to turn it off. So that's going to come in handy for other stuff, I'm sure. Alright, so I got everything I need here for the jet ski except one thing before I get it running. I got these nice Troy Lee design lock-on grips, the red anodized and the white grips, so that'll match the jet ski. Got some 0-degree bend handlebars. I wanted the 4-degree, but they didn't have them in stock, so I got the 0-degree, and they got a sticker in there. And I got 2 new spark plugs. For the new exhaust pipe that I got, the butcher's pipe, I got this 3-way barb, 3/8 to run the water hose, and then I got a pisser because it's going to have a pisser on the side, and that's why I have the drill bits. That's a 1/2 inch, so yeah, I'm going to have to drill into that gel coat. I've looked it up how to do it through fiberglass and gel coat. You do it reverse. For the handlebars, I got these clamps, red anodized, match a jet ski, and then some marine grade silicone to plug up that when I install it. So that's what we got in the box. And these handlebars are pretty sweet. I haven't taken them out yet, but I'm gonna wait to put these stickers on and stuff when I get graphics for the jet ski, because I need to get graphics for it before I start putting that stuff on. But this should be interesting to do. I mean, it says it takes a 1/2 inch. So yeah, that looks about right, about 1/2 inch. So I'm gonna start lower. And just keep working my way up. Cover it with painter's tape, and the first drill bit, drill in reverse to get a divot, and then drill in. I need to see how fast to drill through fiberglass. I don't think it's that bad. I've got directions online that I looked at. So these are my things I need, and the last thing that I need before I can get on the water is a hood seal. And I'm debating on whether to go in the direction of Watcom, where it's like about $90, but it's a good seal, or get a cheap one off of like Blowsion or eBay. I'm not real sure, but I know one thing: I am not going to VintageJetski.com. They gave me a $20 credit after my last fiasco where I ordered a gas tank and had to actually contact the guy, Ty, that makes the gas tanks, and he just so happened to be in Westchester when I contacted him, which is close to here in Ohio where I work, and it's like 10 minutes away from where I work. And he said as soon as he gets home he's gonna send it out. And then is when I heard from Vintage Jet Ski. I messaged them through every means is possible for them and never heard a word from them until afterwards. And he gave me a $20 credit for the hassle, and I bought with that $20 I bought a flush kit for it, hose, and it hasn't shipped. I haven't heard a damn thing. I've messaged him, absolutely nothing. So who knows if I'll ever get that. I don't need it, so I just thought I'd spend the credit that he gave me. But it's a horrible, absolutely horrible website to order from. No customer service. Nobody gets back to you. The Jet Ski brothers promote them. I don't know if they still do, but if they do, shame on them. It's a horrible company. Never buy from them. But this is what I got from Blowsion, and they ship it out super fast, and they're awesome. So that's it. I'll show you the install when I get the pipe and everything and the hood seal.